Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok no internet connection. Tap to retry. And if you are having this kind of error, then how you can fix that? First of all, you have to close the app, and after that what you have to do, the first trick is as you have to check whether your internet connection working properly or not. If you are using Wi-Fi, then you have to check whether it is connected or not, and you have to make sure that you can check another Wi-Fi device and check whether it is working or not. And if you are using your mobile data, then you have to turn it off and you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. And the next trick is as that you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to again turn on, and you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And the next trick is as that you have to simply press and hold your app, and after that you have to click on app info, and the first thing you have to do is you have to simply click on force stop here, and after that you have to click on storage and cache, and here you have to simply clear the cache of your TikTok app, and you have to again check whether it has fixed your problem or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for the clear data, and after that you have to restart your device and turn it on again, and you have to open your app. And if doesn't solve the problem, then you have to open the Play Store and you have to search for TikTok here, and here you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your app, and after updating your app, what you have to do, you have to open your app again, and you have to check whether has fixed your problem or not. As you can see, our problem has been fixed. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.